Kia ora tātou I te whānau Ngāti Apa ki te rātō, kei Rotoiti mātou I tēnei wā, I roto anō I tō tātou nei kaupapa o te waka tangata. Kia ora everybody, here we are at Rotoiti for the first of our Waka tangata Wānanga. And the kaupapa today is simply to get whānau familiar again around Waka tangata. We are building a Waka tangata at the moment whānau, and it's going to sit within our cultural strategy and within our cultural framework. And one of the big kaupapa that we've got coming up in November is Tuia 250th, where we will commemorate the encounter between our people and Captain Cook when he came into Mere Toto. This is our first Wānanga, the whānau are buzzing, and so we can't wait to get out onto the water.
Kia ora, my name is Candice Hemi Mason, no Ngāti Apa ki te rātō ahau, no Rātana Pāhau. My first time on Waka Ama has been this weekend, thoroughly enjoying learning all the new learning about Waka. Looking forward to November and yeah, enjoying myself.
It's been really good. I liked going on the early paddle this morning. Just enjoying the Waka tangata and yeah, really getting into it.
I decided to come down so that me and my boy can get to know all our whānau, and we enjoyed doing Waka. This morning it was cold, pretty challenging too, but we enjoyed it and we're back here, so yeah, no, it's been awesome.
The reason I'm here is to support Ngāti Apa and moving forward with the kaupapa and seeing Waka tangata back on the water and utilise and revitalise to support whānau and local iwi in this area.
It's just been absolutely majestical out on the water. The rangatahi and the wahine have been empowered, and I think this journey is just going to take off.
Tēnā tātou te whānau, my name's Suze Tāwaka. I am repping my Ngāti Apatanga at the Wānanga this weekend. Really excited to be here, really honoured to be here. Actually been waiting a while for something like this for our whānau to do with Waka, and especially Waka tangata.
I'm here to support the kaupapa of Waka because it's a big part of my life, what I do for a mahi, what I do for my own well-being. It's a healthy alternative to a lot of other things that are happening in the country. I think it should be brought up in the scale of sports in Aotearoa, New Zealand. There's different styles of Waka, but I'm here to support that kaupapa by passing on any knowledge I've gained over the years.
Our Waka won the race.
Tell us a little bit about you guys were on board the Kura no Hopeful.
So we were on Waka with mostly all girls but Matua Kiriama, and we definitely won the race, and there were some poor losers in the other Waka.
We couldn't have a better place and a more special place, a wāhi tapu connected to Ngāti Apa ki te rātō to revitalise Waka. You know, it means so much to us, and as we start to prepare for the 250th commemoration out at Mere Toto in November, it's ideal that we are here coming back to the source of Ngāti Apa ki te rātō, to this pātaka kai, to this wāhi tapu to revitalise Waka tangata.